everybody, I am on with a fun share. I'm sure it's going to be fun. I have not looked at this. My good friend Judy, hi Judy, told me she was sending me a package. She needs to quit doing this. She spoils me. So it came today and I wanted to share it with you. So here we go. A little something to brighten your day. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. She is such a talented. I wish, Judy, you need to do your own channel and share your creations. She's so talented. Oh. Oh, I think I have that one. I love it. Oh, I like how you just did it on yellow. That is perfect. With, of course, teal. And then her stamp on the back. Thank you, Judy. This is not a card. It's a hug with a fold in the middle. Crafty friends are the best friends. Oh, that's sure, definitely true, Judy. I appreciate you so much. Okay, let's see. Mother, hang on, back the card. Okay, it says, my mother always had hankies in a birthday card or holiday from friends. I guess they did that back then. I'm passing some on in your color. Oh, I'm giving one to, okay, so I won't share the rest. But anyway, oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Isn't that precious? Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. Now I can't see what you're saying. Hopefully you're seeing. Oh, Judy, thank you so much. What a treasure. And I think she has it in here with some relaxed lavender. It smells like lavender. Do not open package. So it's just, oh, a scented sachet. Okay, Kim, get with it. Thank you, Judy. I love lavender. Very calming. All right. Oh, where'd you find this size bag? Those are awesome. There's some dies in here. Oh my gosh. So she had extra of, oh wow. Hello. Cups? Measuring cups? Is that measuring cups or teacups? Oh my gosh. Thank you, Judy. I headed to my trailer today. I've mentioned this before. A guy, oh, I'm in an extra envelope. Cool. Anyway, re-roofing, and the other day I went and he's like, hey, you haven't done anything. But he started, and I cut. He's probably coming out today, so I got things kind of situated a little bit out there, and you know, I don't want to slow his process. Ooh, what is this? She's always so good. For filling small glue bottles from larger containers. Yes, thank you. I need, God. Oh, she told me about these. So she included the stick. So, she made these herself. Look at these. I need a couple for Easter and stuck in my plants. Okay, if you like the idea, I enclosed a couple of sticks. I admire people, oh my God, that do this. Look at this. If I like it. Oh my gosh. Judy, you are so talented. I'll pretend I like cooking and you pretend it tastes nice. That's going in my kitchen. Oh my gosh, Judy. Ooh, and then 4th of July one. Oh, look at this. Here's one side. And here's the other side. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, there's another set on this one. Grateful and blessed. She knows I love the word blessed. Oh, I am grateful and blessed to have you, Judy. So many of you are so kind to me. It just means the world. Okay. Oh my God. You got a lot in here. What is this? Oh, this is for it. She said I could check it out first. Hang on, hang on. Kiwi scented slime, squishmallows. Oh, she's gonna love that. She's a slime girl. We'll keep that here so that she can have slime here. Ooh, some cute little bows. Oh, I love them. Polka dots. She knows me so well. course, I share every ding dang. Oh my gosh. Judy, you're kidding. Where on earth did you find this? Kind words are like honey. Look, it's a nightlight. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So cute. Look at the Pooh Bear. How can you not be happy when you look at him? Oh, Judy, that's so sweet. Oh my God. This is so much fun. What else have we... Oh, jeez. What else? Oh, another Pooh Bear. A Pooh Bear pin. So cute. Oh my gosh, it just keeps... Another cute bag. What is this? Ooh, more slime. So I might have to take some slime. Oh, this one is a little runny. Oh, anyway, I gotta share with the other girlies. So here's my story about them. My heart aches sometimes. They send me, they're so good about my daughter-in-law sending me pictures of those sweet girls, Tori and Vienna. But I haven't seen them, and I can go about maybe 6 weeks, and then I just start, my heart just wants to be with them. So I'm ending up going in a couple. I can't stand it. I have to go. I just have to. I can't. Oh, empowering notes for kids. Oh, one for each family. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you, sweetie. So I called last night, and they said, well, I'm going 4th of July, but I'll have Emma with me, and it'll be chaotic, right? And I won't get to just focus on my girls. Oh my gosh, look at this. I am in love with word search. Ooh, these are good ones. What a nice cover. I'm going to have to take this apart once I'm done doing all the word searches. Female superheroes, there you go. I kind of look at them and I go, is it something I know something about? Because if it isn't, like they'll have challenge ones, like all words that end in N. Well, I know. No, thank you. Anyway, thank you, Judy. This is cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's more in here. My God, woman. Oh, Texas. Sticker. Oh, and a Washington one, too. Oh my gosh. Oh, and speaking of journals, I did post a video of that. And people are giving me suggestions, and I am open to that. Do not hesitate, because I am new to it. But anyway, so much fun making that little... So, I decided, I got, in that weird way, we got the pictures of, I think I shared that. They were dumped along the side of the road, and the police called. Anyway, of my ex-husband's father, who I loved dearly and was killed by a drunk driver, unfortunately, right 6 months into his retirement. But the boys never knew him. And so I'm going to copy some of those pictures and make them each a journal. Because they were like, we really want those pictures. So I thought, okay, let's do it. Take time. Oh, a house mouse. Take time to chill. You're the coolest. I'm your biggest fan. Oh, Judy. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my God. Okay, this better be the last thing. Tin sign. What on earth? Do you guys miss Temu? I sure do. I don't need any of it. I don't need Temu. I don't need the stuff. But, oh, I miss Temu. I'm always saying this. Down the rabbit hole. Oh, gee, where? I'm always saying I'm going down the rabbit hole. I got a lot of rabbit holes all through my yard. I'm tripping. No. Oh my God. I just love it. That is so funny. Oh, speaking of funny. So I was at Wally World today, Walmart. And my boys told me that when I would say nope, they knew it wasn't going to happen. And I was like, oh my God. This is... So I shared this with them. I just thought this was too funny. Nope, not going to happen. I had to have it. I had to. It was only $6.98. 100% cotton. Thank you, Walmart. Anyway, so... Oh my gosh, Judy, you are a hoot. Down the rabbit hole. Oh, God. Yeah. I got all these rabbit holes I want to go down, and I go down them and then I don't do anything with the stuff at the bottom of the hole. Anywho, all right. Thank you, Judy McIntyre. You are the best. You're such a sweetheart. Oops, sorry. Oh, you're so talented. Down the rabbit hole. But look at these. These are the... look at how perfect her rosettes are. And they're big. Oh my gosh. But this is my favorite one. Look at this. I'll pretend to like cooking. You pretend it tastes good. Nice. So she says I'm sorry, I'm just wandering around. I'm going down a rabbit hole. I gotta see. So put it in the vat. Oh, well that's easy. So just put it. I did it, Judy. I did it. Okay, thank you. Oh my gosh, that is just too cute. Oh, in the valley. I'll do it on this side. You, my dear, are one talented lady. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Did I get this one on straight? No. I did not. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it all. Thank you, Judy. So sweet. All right. Take care, guys. Show me some love. I'm hoping I'm at like 7,200 or something, which is great. But let's get me to 8,000 by August, and we'll do a giveaway. What do you think? God knows I've got enough to give away. All right. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.